Topic for Lesson 4.1 is the coordinate plane. You'll learn how to locate points on the coordinate plane and graph points on the coordinate plane. How do archaeologists use coordinate systems? Underwater archaeologists use a grid system to map excavation sites of sunken ships. The grid is used as a point of reference on the ocean floor. The coordinate system is also used to record the location of objects they find. Knowing the position of each object helps archaeologists reconstruct how the ship sank and where to find other artifacts. In mathematics, points are located in reference to the x and y axis on a coordinate system or coordinate plane. The first example asks us to write the ordered pair for point B. We moved 3 units to the right and then 2 down, so it is at 3, -2. The x and y axes separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants. Notice which quadrants contain positive and negative x coordinates and which contain positive and negative y coordinates. The axes are not located in any of the quadrants. So quadrant 1, they're both positive. 2, x is negative, y is positive. Quadrant 3, they're both negative. And quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Example 2 asks us to write ordered pairs for points A, B, C, and D, and then name the quadrant in which each point is located. So point A is 2 to the left and 2 up. It is in quadrant 2. Awful lot of 2's there. B is 0 to the right or left and 2 up. It is not in a quadrant because it is on the y-axis. C is 4 units to the right and 2 down. So it is in the 4th quadrant. And D is 5 to the left and 4 down. And it is in the 3rd quadrant. To graph an ordered pair means to draw a dot at the point on the coordinate plane that corresponds to the ordered pair. This is sometimes called plotting a point. When graphing an ordered pair, start at the origin. The x-coordinate indicates how many units to move to the right, positive, or to the left if it's negative. The y-coordinate indicates how many units to move up if it's positive, or down if it is negative. If we're going to plot the point 3, 1, first we need to move 3 units to the right, and 1 unit up, and we put a dot and we label it with a capital A for a point. To plot -2, 0, we need to move 2 units to the left and 0 units up. Ta-da! To plot 2, -5, we're going to move 2 units to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. Example 4, they ask us to use the map to name the city at about 33 degrees, 80 degrees. The 33 degrees is the latitude, and those lines run east and west, and the longitude runs north and south. So we need to find 33, there-ish, and 80. So it looks like at about Charleston. Now we're going to go the other direction, and they want us to find the latitude and longitude of Las Vegas. So we are not quite 35. Wait, not. Vegas is above it, so about 37-ish. And we are right at that 115 line. When we plot points on the coordinate plane, the first number, or the x-coordinate ordered pair, corresponds to the number on the x-axis, and the second number, the y-coordinate, corresponds to the numbers on the vertical or the y-axis.